Good afternoon. On one of my videos regarding the Superpedestrian electric scooters, there was a comment saying they thought they were expensive. So I thought today I'd go and get one. We'll go from this area by Los Pocillos Hotel to Playground in Puerto Del Carmen. It's about 4 kilometers. So that'll give you an idea of the sort of price. I'll let you decide if you think they're expensive or not. To get a taxi from this area down to Puerto Del Carmen is about €6. I think a bus is €2. So let's go and find a scooter. I'll hop on it and we'll have a look. There's some scooters down there. Let's get my phone out and get the app up and loaded. We'll try this one here. And we're good to go. Along the cycle lane. Hotel on the right is the hotel I'm currently staying at, La Heria. Very nice hotel, 4-star. A couple of restaurants and shops here on the right hand side as well. And Moho Dive is on the right hand side here as well, so if you fancy scuba diving, give them a try. They are brilliant. So we're coming up on the start of Puerto Del Carmen. Sorry, it hit some bumps there. Just up this hill. Make sure there's no cars crossing. Hotel San Antonio there on my left. On the right hand side is mini golf. There's somebody in the middle of the cycle lane. See how popular the scooters are here, everybody's on them. And we'll now be going along the strip in Puerto Del Carmen. Very bumpy by here. Absolutely loads of restaurants and bars down here. Lots of shops as well. Time to dodge the trees and the people. Oh, you can see the beach over there, so not far to go now. More restaurants, bars, shops along here. There we go. So I'll jump off, I'll end the ride, let's see how much it's cost and how long it's taken. App's taking its time. Oh, not bad at all. €3.75. 11 minutes. I'll take a screenshot of that as well, put that on the screen. There you go. Check out my other videos. Please subscribe and please like. Thanks for watching. Cheers.